Hello and welcome to Kupo Grip. This short video will introduce you to our Master Cine stand. The Master Cine stand is our mid-size cine stand, our version of a heavy-duty steel combo stand with a triple-function universal combo head, a leveling leg for uneven terrain, and square legs for increased rigidity. The reason why this is called a combo stand is because a triple-function universal combo head accepts both 5/8 inch baby or 1 1/8 inch junior size light fixtures and accessories. Typically, a combo stand has some version of this head. This head features a retractable baby pin that can be pushed up from its storage location. Simply loosen both set screws, slide the pin up, and lock it down. Now you're ready to mount your light fixture. The same pin can alternatively be used in a horizontal position to aid in mounting light fixtures pointed straight down without any other rigging required. Now we'll mount that same 1K pointing towards the ground. With the baby pin extended horizontally, you now have a baby receiver to accept any baby pin. Once a baby pin is inserted into the receiver, just tighten the top set screw with the sliding handle until snug. This head also features a junior receiver for fixtures with a junior pin or accessories, such as this Pro Photo Giant umbrella. Just tighten the uppermost sliding set screw until snug and you are good to go. To open a stand, turn a knob located at the top casting where the legs meet the stand. Grab two legs and pull apart until the leg braces are parallel to the floor. Turn the same knob clockwise until snug. Now you're ready to mount your lighting fixture. By loosening both knobs securing the base to the main riser section, you can lower the main riser section until it makes a fourth point of contact with the ground. This not only lowers your center of gravity, but provides more stability for heavy loads or windy situations. Now it's time to mount our Pro Photo Giant umbrella. To adjust the height of your stand, loosen the knob on the top of the second riser section. Make sure you always keep a firm grip on the riser section to support the load. Adjust to the desired height and tighten the knob until snug. Repeat the process with the next riser section until your total desired height is achieved. Best practice is to always raise the risers in order from the top down. If you don't do this on taller light stands, you'll find that the uppermost risers will be out of reach. This stand also features a leveling leg that allows you to extend one leg more than the others to level the stand on uneven terrain. This shows you how on a flight of stairs you can still level your stand. Best practice always has the knuckles, another name for the knobs, all aligned and tight when done with the stand. This way you don't have to search for the knobs when using the stand. The Master Cine stand is a two-riser version in our premium series of steel non-wheeled cine stands. Whatever you need to mount, this square-legged brute will easily handle the load. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your vision and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.